Christina here, and in this video we're going to go over this featured marquee. So we're on the home page, we're going to go to template, and down here the canvas featured marquee, it has the gray diagonal lines, which means in Showit this is called a site canvas. So whenever we make any updates, you're going to see those updates site-wide. In this video, we're going to go over how to customize this, how it works, and how you can add in your logos as well. Okay, so because this is a site canvas and I want to show a few other things, I'm going to show how it works within this canvas. And you'll notice the logos here keep going all the way over to the side. We want them to take up about this much room in the back end here of Showit. Now, how this works is for them to move across the page. Each logo has an animation set. So when you select the logo, you're going to come down here to animation. The type is slide. The time is 60. We don't have a delay on these, and it's coming from the right. So if you wanted these just to go the other direction, we could switch the whole thing by clicking left, and then I would grab all of these logos and slide them over to the right. If you want to adjust the time, you could play around with that here as well. Now to customize, I'm going to duplicate this canvas. This is also kind of a hack I like to use too. So if you do want to keep the original just to refer back to or anything, you can come here and duplicate it. I'm just going to convert to a page canvas for right now. And then what you can start customizing. So if I click this negative space, I'm going to get canvas background. Here I can change the color. Also with these three dots, we can split desktop and mobile. So if you would like, you could have a separate color on mobile and have a different color on desktop. Okay. For this example, I am going to just change this color. Okay, so say you want to add in your logos, you can use these logos here. Say if you have a different logo, you'll go to your media library. I created a folder just for these featured in logos, and then you'll drag and drop yours in here. We want it to be a PNG file so that there is a transparent background. To add the logo, you'll just select it and then add to page. From here, I'm holding down Shift on the keyboard to resize it and keep the proportions. Let's just move that over. And if you want other logos to be a little bit bigger, you could do something like that as well. And then let's say we're just gonna add that one for right now. Because we added on desktop, it will be added to mobile. And so I'm just going to slide these ones over. Okay, then within this canvas, the featured marquee, I'm going to drag this as seen in above, and I'm going to select this graphic, which is our newest logo, hold down Shift and select all of the logos. From here, you're going to get this alignment, and I'm going to come down here to distribute, and I'm going to distribute the space. I'm going to click kind of desktop and distribute the space here as well. So this will evenly spread them out. We can also align them as well. I'm going to select here and align them on mobile. Now, because we added this one in, it does not have the animation set. So you're always going to have to select the logo then, come into animation, drop down, slide, change this to 60 seconds, 0, and right. So for this one, I'm just going to hide the site canvas one. And for the example, we can come up and preview. So we'll go to preview, We can scroll right here to preview, or again, open this. And then you'll see them coming across. So with this animation, once that timing is completed, these will stop moving. However, whenever somebody comes to your site, like back to the home page, this will automatically start again. If you refresh the page, it will start again. But once it stops, you'll just see the logos here that like are visible. If you like this new design, like if you duplicated this exactly the same and you really do enjoy the new one, what you can do is convert this to a site canvas, and then you can go through and, for example, we have this featured in on the experience page. So if you go to page, click the three dots, add from library, you'll see the second one, which is the new one we just made. We'll add it, bring it up here, and then essentially you could just hide this one or even just delete it. And that is everything with the featured marquee canvas.